Hey there. While I'm going through some material about, how movement and staying active helps to keep us healthy from our bones to our mood to our brain to our heart and overall quality of life, I found something that kind of created a pause for me and made me do a double take. And that's what I want to share with you in this video today. But before I do that, in case you don't know who I am, my name is Francois. I'm the Chief Medical Exercise Specialist at the Other Pain Clinic. So let me start off this video with a question. Did you know that one in two women and up to 1 in 4 men will break a bone in their lifetime due to osteoporosis? Yeah, probably not a cool party question or anything like that, but just to make you aware. All right. The other stat that I found that maybe do a double take was that about half of all adults age 50 or older are at risk of breaking a bone due to poor bone health. The two key words are here, or three, is say poor bone health. Look, even though those worries might be a long way off for you because you're nowhere near close to 50, right? What you do today can have a major impact and a big impact on your bone health overall. So today I want to share with you a couple key things you could do to help stay strong and independent as you get older, because independency and mobility and the choices to go out and do the things that we want, that's kind of really super important, right? So a couple things that I want to go through with you. Number one is get enough calcium and vitamin D. So this could be through various ways, but definitely to really help out is to speak with your healthcare provider about ways to make sure you get enough of the calcium and vitamin D daily. Exercise regularly. Making muscle strengthening and weight bearing exercise is a non negotiable for me. So this really helps me out in many ways as well. And the research shows it's a minimum of 2 resistance training workouts a week that is recommended, right? Thirdly, smoking and alcohol intake both can lead to bone loss. So there's ways to, try to reduce the amount and the frequency. And once again, if you need some help, talk to a healthcare provider with that as well. Also, with your healthcare provider, ask your healthcare provider if they can give you some info about your risk of getting osteoporosis and guide you when it comes to getting a bone density test as well. Hey, if you want some help in building those healthy habits that support your bones and the rest of your body too, and mine, are more energy, better health in 30 days may be a great fit for you. It focuses on how to sneak in exercises, that resistance training, that weight bearing exercises into a busy schedule. And it helps to get stronger as well. And, like I said, this is 30 days. It gets you going, right? And also a bonus, it helps you with regaining energy in the process too. If you wanted to know more, just send me a direct message or comment below this video and I'll get back to you. All right. I'm committed to your health and I'll see you in the next video.